evikini eledlule sesabikelwa ngokuboshwa kwale ndoda uSotheni esolakala ngokubulala uMarius van der Merwe owaziwa ngo-Witness D watestify lapha kuMadlanga Commission. Esikutholile ukuthi le ndoda lena i-former Special Task Force member, okusho ukuthi muhle kakhulu emkhakheni wokudubula. Futhi esikuvezela uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngesikhathi ethula ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwe-ad hoc committee ukuthi le ndoda okuyona emqashile kwe-private security company tema kuvela lezi ndaba yathatha isibhamu yathi ngicela nithathe lesi sibhamu nesese kwi-ballistic kubonakala ukuthi akusiso na, ngoba mayizwa uhlobo lwesibhamu adutshulwe ngaso or ikhaliba yesibhamu adutshulwe ngaso uWitness D iyamsolisa le ndoda. Yilapho-ke kuthathwe khona isibhamu ushilo kuGeneral Mkhwanazi ukuthi bamlinke kanjalo lo mfo. Ufikile-ke enkantolo makufuneka kuzwakala indaba yesicelo sakhe sebheyili vele wakhuluma kanje.
The lawyer here is the first time I see him today. He's not been given instruction by me. He did not even take my statement, Your Worship. I'm arrested here for something I did not commit. And the instructions are coming left, right, and center, Your Worship. I'm being decided upon. I have not done anything here. I'm on social media. I'm everywhere. My name is painted. So, Your Worship, for postponing this case is delaying the matter, and I wish to assist the court. I'm ready with my statement. I'm ready to say what had happened. This guy I see him today.
Mr. Sotheni, you can give that instructions to the legal representative. If you are not satisfied with the date that has been agreed, they can bring an application for requisition before the date. In this case, the date still stands, can stand out. At this stage, the question is action. All right.
I've got a lot to say. I've got a lot to say.
Are you okay, Mr. Sotheni?
No, I'm not okay. My children, I must take my children to school. I've got a lot to do.
How many children do
I
you
have
have?
work. I've got 3 kids. I haven't done this.
Do you have anything to do with this, Mr. Sotheni?
Njengoba izwake lensizwa isho ukuthi kwammeli lo akazange athatha ama-instruction kuye ayimazi baqala ukudibana ecourt. Kungikhumbuza indaba yakenzeka lapha kwicala likaSenzo Meyiwa lapho khona uNtanzi wakubeka ukuthi umji yakho yena akamazi ukuthi wayiqashwe ngubani nanokuthi wake weza nini ukuzombona enkantolo. Ngingisho lento le indaba yecala likaSenzo Meyiwa ngamabomu ngoba uma ubheka ecaleni kaSenzo Meyiwa kwenziwa izinto ngendlela ehlukile kunale eyenzeka kwamanye ama-court. Abameli emveni kwalezi nkulumo barelease amaphepha banikeza bezindaba. Criselda Louis ubhale kanje: Lawyer representing Matiphandile Sotheni, Marius van der Merwe Witness the alleged shooter, said they are baffled by Sotheni's telling the court on March 25 that he did not give instructions. Open quotes, I'm being decided upon. This guy I'm seeing today for the first time, close quotes, in reference to the lawyer who was in court, Attorney Eric Breyer, who Sotheni was referring to, has produced documentation indicating they consulted with Sotheni on March 18 at Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Service, where power of attorney and mandate agreement was signed. SABC News understands, though, that Correctional Service won't hand over the visitor's book to media due to POPIA Act. Fundeka nje lamaphepha. Power to sue or defend or to proceed with any action in any court, including the High Court of South Africa. I, the undersigned, Matipandile Sotheni, do hereby nominate, constitute and appoint Eric Breyer to be my true and lawful attorney and agent, with power of substitution for me and in my name, to take any payment of disbursement as required, including any fee that might be owed by myself in the matter, and generally for affecting the purpose aforesaid to do, or cause to be done, whatsoever shall be requisite, as fully and effectually for all intent and purpose as I might or could do if personally represent and acting herein, hereby rectifying, allowing, and confirming and promising and agreeing to rectify all the whatsoever my said attorney or agent shall lawfully do or cause to be done by virtue of this present, and read with the conditions set out therein as contained in the signed mandate and fee agreement, isignwe nge-18 March 2026. Bona ummeli oneqiniso usewakhiphile amaphepha ukuthi hayi lo muntu wasayina nali iphepha elinginominatayo mina njengommeli ukuthi ngimmele. Labhala ukuthi ulisayine nini, uvalile amagama akhe, wavela ukuthi usayinile yena ngomhla ka-18. Kwenziwa yini kungaveli into efanayo kuSenzomeyiwa trial? Balobe bevika ngokuthi i-client attorney client privilege. Why kungavezwa amaphepha nje okuthiwa cha nakho la uNtanzi asayina khona ukuthi unominate umji yakho ukuthi akammele? Hayi asikiyeke kancane lokho ukuthi wamvakashela noma akamvakashelanga. Kodwa bekufanele yabona SABC ithi iyakuqonda ukuthi ngeke baze bawanikwa amaphepha azoveza ukuthi bavakashelane nini ngenxa yePOPIA Act. Kodwa icourt iyakwazi ukukusamona lokho ngoba isuke ifuna ukwazi iqiniso. Mina umbuzo yazi ngithe mangilibuka lolu daba lwavelela ngikhumbuza into eyenzeka kuSenzomeyiwa. Ngathi why bangakhipha amaphepha nje la kuzovela khona ukuthi cha impela uNtanzi usayinile ukuthi unominate umji yakho ukuthi akammele njengommeli wakhe. Bazosho phela ukuthi wayesayina kuphi ngaluphi usuku. Angazi yazi kodwa nje le ndoda lena sekuvelile ukuthi iqamba amanga yona ngoba nakho la isayine yona inominate yena lo mmeli. Njengoba seyithi azange athole athathe ama-instruction bayamdecidela. Kodwa nabo ubufakazi lo mmeli usebukhiphile. Ummeli oneqiniso ofuna enze kanje. Apha amaphepha asayinwa uNtanzi ngesikhathi nominate umji yakho. Ngisibuza lokho. Yane South Africa imovie. Imovie yangempela. Angiyibambe le video. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani ngalo kwalokho. Mina nawe sidibane kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.